it is a very slow growth, and it's a lot require me a lot of like try and error, what to be corrected, what to be applied in the promotions and everything. I would say it's definitely we see the growth, but it is not as per what we are expecting. My initial idea, if we are engaging with Eva along this while, I always think that the biggest issues that we are facing is all about the promotion, how we are handling all about promotion, all about the keywords, which is I see there is a need we need to engage with Eva. This is something that we really need help with. Approaching to Eva, I think there is a lot of other area that being covered by Ava is also helping us in terms of boosting our sales. After we are engaging with Ava, during the first month, we already see 172% of growth in terms of the revenue. Actually, during the first month, it's already show 172% growth from the previous month, and that is continually to growth like around 62 to 70%. Each month, it keep growing like more than I would say it's like 62%, 72% is something like that. Yeah, we are aiming also to keep growing for the coming months. It make it automated, and the data is everything is visible straight away. I can straight see what is the average profits. Everything is through the Eva platform. So we are gaining from that actually. For months, I have been trying, struggle a lot, learn from YouTube, everything about promotion. But as I shared before, I cannot see the growth that I expected. One of the success story, how can I achieve now from even like per month, I can only sell less than 100 units of furniture. Now we are approaching to almost 1,000 units of furniture in a month. If you want to do a serious business with Amazon, you are looking for a continuous growth, a rapid growth, you should engage with Eva to help you to make it faster, to make this happen with even less manpower needed.